How to find YouTube channel ID and user ID. Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to find your YouTube channel and user ID. For this, first of all, you need to open up your channel dashboard and then you need to go to settings on this left menu bar and then tap on settings. And here you need to tap on channels, which is the second option. And then you need to click on advanced settings. Here you need to scroll down and then you need to click on manage YouTube account. Once you are on this page, just click on view advanced setting and here you will see your user ID and channel ID. You can also change it from here. This is how you can find user and channel ID. I hope the video helped you. Don't forget to give this video thumbs up. If you have any question related to the video, please feel free to drop it in the comment section below. Thank you for watching this video.